Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1 movement
何かをするときの動き
and 2 phonics, long vowels EE and EA. Let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. First, just watch what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. Stand up. Laugh at. Cry for. Oh, Jimmy! Jimmy! Smile at. Frown at. Shout at. Hey! Whisper to. Sit down. This time, let's do it together. Are you ready? Stand up. Laugh at. Cry for. Oh, Jimmy! Jimmy! Smile at. Frown at. Shout at. Hey! Whisper to. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. This week, let's study long sounds where 2 letters make 1 long sound.
今週はフォニックスの長い音を勉強します。2つの文字が並んで1つの長い音になります。
EE and EA. When you hear A, E, I, O, U, they are called vowel sounds.
A, E, I, O, U の音、あ、え、い、お、うは日本語のあいうえおと同じです。この音は母音と呼ばれます。英語では vowel sound と言います。
When a vowel sounds like its name of the alphabet, it is called a long vowel.
アルファベットの名前読みをするときは、英語で long vowel と言います。例えば、E はえっていう音だけど、E っていう名前だよね。このように E と発音するときは long vowel と呼びます。
When a vowel sounds like its sound of the alphabet, it is called a short vowel.
そしてアルファベットの音読みをするときの音は short vowel と言います。例えば、さっきの E の音はえだよね。このえの音を short vowel と言います。それでは発音の練習を始めよう。
Let's begin. EE is E. B. E. Okay, let's try the E sound together. 1, 2. E, E, E. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? E is E. B. Are you ready? 1, 2. E is E. B. Wonderful. Next is EA.
次は EA。
EA is E. C. E.
この2つ一緒の文字も一つの長い音 E と発音します。
Okay, let's try the E sound together. 1, 2. E, E, E. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? EA is E. C. Are you ready? 1, 2. EA is E. C. Wonderful. It's time to sing. The name of the song is Where Are My Things? It's time to go to school, but where are my things? Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where can they be?
Where is my pen?
Where is my pen?
Where is my pen?
Where is my pen?
Is it on the table?
No,
Is it under the desk?
no,
Is it in the drawer?
no.
Where is it?
It's behind the curtain.
Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where are my things?
Where can they be?
Where are my shoes?
Where are my shoes?
Where are my shoes?
Where are my shoes?
Are they next to the TV?
No,
Are they in front of the door?
no,
Are they between the sofa and chair?
no.
Where-
Where are they?
They're on your feet. Ha 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 ha. Did you like this song? Me too. Please listen to this song at home. Goodbye. It's new vocabulary time. I'll introduce you to some new words. Just watch and listen carefully. Let's begin. Eat. Bite. Drink. Paint. Write. Draw. Color. Okay, one more time. Are you ready? Drink. I drink a glass of water. Color. I color the picture. Write. I write on paper. Eat. I eat cereal. Draw. I draw a picture. Paint. I paint the wall. Bite. I bite an apple. That was great. Please remember. Hi! It's chants time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, let me show you a new chant. Just watch and listen. I play volleyball. I kick a ball. I play the guitar. I sing a song. I read a book. I draw a picture. I take a nap. I eat a snack. Did that look interesting? Hi, it's book time. I will read you the story. Please watch and listen. Actions in the morning.
タイトルは朝にやること。
Written by Gary and Akiko. I wake up in the morning.
朝起きる。
I wash my face.
顔を洗う。
I brush my teeth.
歯を磨く。
I change my clothes.
洋服を着替える。
I eat breakfast.
朝ごはんを食べる。
I read a book.
本を読む。
I get ready for school.
学校に行く準備をする。
I get ready for kindergarten.
幼稚園に行く準備をする。
See you later, Mom.
ママ、また後でね。
The end.
おしまい。
Did you like the story? Me too. Goodbye. Hi, my name's Max.
My name's Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says sheep. Guess who? Are you ready?
Beep!
Sleep.
Sheep.
Who said sheep?
I did. I said sheep.
Oh, Linda said sheep. Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Carla?
I said beep. Beep.
I see. How about you, Max? Max? I said sleep. Sleep. I see. Bye, everybody. See you next time. Hey, how was that? Today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Movement,
何かをするときの動き。
and 2. Phonics, long vowels, EE and EA. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.